How to use the cash out option on BetMGM. The cash out option on BetMGM allows you to settle a bet before the event has finished. This can be useful for securing winnings or maximizing or minimizing losses. Now, what you have to do in order to basically cash out is open up the BetMGM app and make sure that you log in respectively to your account, right? If you are not already logged in, by the way, you'll find a login section on the bottom right, or you'll also find a login from the top right. Now, go to the My Bet section, which you can find over there. Once you come to this little My Bet section from the bottom of the menu, you can see if the cash out option is available for a bet. So if it is available for a certain bet in the My Bet section, it will be displayed. You can review the offer and carefully consider the cash out amount offered. And if you wish to cash out, you can simply confirm your decision. Now, BetMGM does not guarantee that the cash out option will always be available, and odds changes can cause the cash out offer to be rejected. By understanding how the cash out feature works, you can make informed decisions about when to settle your bets. Either way, I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.